Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get secret profile icons in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Right, Pokemon TCG Pocket may appear to be a simple card collection simulator, but it has several hidden features that might surprise players. One of these is the game's secret missions, or hidden tasks that offers some more surprising, though not always helpful or worthwhile rewards. Like most Pokemon games, this game features a series of hidden tasks called secret missions. These objects require players to collect thematic cards in exchange for resources or rare items. What makes them challenging is that they aren't accessible from the missions tab, so players won't be able to see them. Now here are three of the secret profile icons in Pokemon TCG Pocket, which is in line with the Genetic Apex Museum. Alright? Number one here is the Charizard. It will reward you 36 Wonder Hourglass, 12 pack Hourglasses, and 10 shop tickets. To complete this, get everyone's star card in the Charizard booster pack, and you will need the following in the mission. These cards: the Gloom, Pinsir, Charmander, Rapidash, Lapras, Alakazam, Slowpoke, and Meowth. Another one here is the Mewtwo. Its rewards is that it has 36 Wonder Hourglasses, 12 packed Hourglasses, and 10 shop tickets. How to complete? Get everyone's star card in the Mewtwo booster pack, which includes Bulbasaur, Cubone, Golbat, Weezing, Dragonite, Pidgeot, Ditto, Porygon. And the last one here is of course Pikachu, which has the same rewards. And to complete, you will need these following cards: the Squirtle, Gyarados, Electrode, Diglett, Nidoqueen, Nidoking, Eevee, and lastly Snorlax. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps them. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.